This is the Midwest Tech Strategist Services dashboard, built on Power BI to replace a manual Excel tracking and reporting process. Change dates to look at any time period, giving both historical and current trends over 1 year, 2 years, or even 2 months. Along at the top, you'll see key financial metrics: total revenue, total profit, and total hours billed. Below that, revenue and profit trends are visualized month by month. Leadership like yourself can immediately spot seasonal changes or areas of concern, like dips during holiday periods. We also take advantage of Power BI's built-in forecasting feature to assist budgeting and planning for future years. You can filter by industry, region, or employee. For example, if you want to look only at healthcare, just click it, and the entire dashboard updates instantly. If you want to see more details, you can have an additional page that gives further details on company and even a bar graph to drill through multiple metrics. Because we can use both built-in and custom connectors both in Power BI and the Power Platform, we can connect to external data sources like our finance ERP, the sales CRM, and HR systems. Now, what used to take hours of manual reconciliation is now instant, real-time, and accessible to leadership, finance, and IT anytime they need it. This is a simple example of how one company moved beyond spreadsheets, opening the door for standardization, visibility, and scalability, giving a growing organization more efficient processes and more accurate data insights.